All right, guys, so somebody wanted me, they pointed out in my last video with the aider, the two-step aider from Hangfree, that I didn't show climbing on it. So I'm going to show you climbing on it as my first stick, how I set up. This is exactly how I get to the tree and I set up and go up the tree. I don't have my backpack on my back or my saddle stand platform, but I'm just going to show you the sticks, the X20, the Icon X20s. And then I'm going to show you how I put the aider on when I get to the tree, all right? So when I get to the tree, these are basically all put together on the back of my pack. I take them off my pack at the base of the tree. And what I've been doing is I will take, since right is my predominant hand, I'll get that out yet, I will hook this Hangfree gear tie onto this stick right here by itself, like that. That gives me two sticks on the right, and then I'm going to hook one stick on my left-hand side. Just like so. They're going to be hanging at my sides. Then this stick, ooh, look at horse manure. When I walk out to the woods, there's a horse trail. I'll usually step in every piece of horse manure I can find. So what I will do is put this stick onto the tree. We're going to open this stick up. So you're going to hold your fingers in there, pull them apart, keep your fingers over the holes, just like so. And that's probably about 6'1", since I'm 5 foot 10 and a half, 11, kind of shrinking maybe a little bit, but putting it around, then tying it through here, up, down, and around into that groove, and then a little half hitch. Tie that in there. I'll usually take this and just tuck it inside, and then set that stick, and then in my right pocket, because this all comes down in reverse, so everything should be the correct way when I'm going back up. So take out the Hangfree aider, which is right here, and just slide it over the edge. Lock it into place with the castration bands. And we're good there. You just move the camera real quick. All right, so here's how we're going up the tree. So here's my first one. On this side of my pouch is my lineman rope. Zip it all back up so nothing falls out. I always let this thing off and let it untangle, unwind. So you put it in there, it winds up. Put this around the tree. Let out a little bit of slack. Hook it in. I always am making sure this is hooked into the correct setup. Give myself a little room. Lineman's rope should always be above your waist. And we've got this set in the tree. And what I always do is on this first step, I like to get it back on the back part of my boot, and that way put my toe in. Then you're going up, and then that way it leaves you enough room to get your second boot in. Up like that. Then I am set. Now we're going to tighten up the lineman's rope. And on this side I have the two sticks, so I only hooked it onto the back, the strip. Really easy to unhook. I didn't show that in my video when I did the X20s. Next stick coming out. Hooked up. I'll usually put my leg up here, give me a good idea of where I'm going to have that next step. Right about there. Come around. Half hitch. That sticks in. Give myself a little bit more room. Tighten up. Now I can grab either one of the sticks off my side. Doesn't matter which one I grab now. Unravel it. You can hear the kids playing in the playground. Pull the stick apart, holding onto the little pins. It's good to go. We'll eyeball this one right about there. And if I wanted to stretch it, I could stretch it. If I thought I had to get a certain way. Hunt Arsenal does have a aider that they sell, which looks kind of cool. I'm gonna have to look at it. Pull it out, set that next stick, loosen. Same thing, like I said, I can tuck this in here if I want it not to be bouncing around. You got that one set. We're gonna go up the tree. We're good, tighten up your linemen's. Got my other stick over here. Loosen it, take off the ropes. Got my beautiful wife videoing me. I couldn't do this one by myself, that's for sure. And then this one here. Always keep your rope as horizontal as you can on the tree. Keep this as tight as you can when you're tightening it. That way it doesn't have a lot of room that it can go down. Half hitch. Now I don't have a tape measure to show you how tall I am, but pull out the bottom and set that. Loosen my linemen's. Up, up, and up. You guys can see how high I am. Nice and high. I will usually set my platform about a foot above my top of my last step, and then that way I can just step onto it. But before I ever step onto my platform, I always tether in first before I make that step, in case something were to happen with, coming over and it were to shift, because these aren't really gonna, if you fall with this, you're gonna go up against the tree and hit your stick, where the tether, you're just gonna hang there by your saddle. So I'm gonna come down now. Gonna loosen it up, give myself room. So if you're on a tree that has a lot of real rough bark and this thing wants to grab on the back, you're trying to step down, you're hooking into the bark, and then it's hard to get down. Coming down, come down to the next one, come down to the next one. Now I'm already got close enough to the tree where I can untie this. And once you've done this a couple times with this tying system, it's no problem at all. And then look at that, this stick is stuck on the tree good. If I pull it off, like I showed in the other video, I put this end up against the tree, push in the little buttons, push that together, lock it in place, wrap the rope, and you're back down to your 13.375 inches. Then I'm going to put this one with the compression clip up top. Going to go around. I'm going to tighten this up a little. I'm good there. Now I'm going to come down to the next one. Bring it down. Just like that. Now I'm ready for my next stick. And I'm going to put this stick, once I close it up, on the other side. So then when I'm doing the other stick, the last stick, the third one, I'm not bouncing around. And when I'm coming down, I don't want it to fall off, because you know what happens if something falls off your belt? It falls onto your bow that's below the tree. You don't want that happening. So I will put this one on the other side, hook it into my Hangfree gear ties, tighten it up. Now I'm coming down to the next step. Now I know you guys are all waiting for me to get onto that aider. So here we are with this stick. So now what I'm going to do is unhook this one. Same thing. Stick, push the buttons, let it go in. Hook. Now this one, since I'm very close to the ground already, not going to worry. Sometimes I will drop this one to the ground, but with this nice easy system, it's so easy to get these magnets to hook in and just snap it together. Good to go there. Now we're to the interesting part, your aider. So how do you do the aider? So I always grab onto the top of my stick and I come down, I kick out and get that right in the middle of my foot. A little bit further back, now I'm good. And then when I come down with this part, it's sticking away from the tree, I can get my other boot in, and then I am good to go. Give myself a little bit extra room. And that is it, guys. Pretty simple. This aider has been working great. I've had it out on every hunt so far this season. Hooks on real easy. Very easy to use. I'll show you one more time. Hooking this up. Give yourself some room so you can pull up to the tree, grab onto the top of your stick. Get this first step on the very back part of your boot, so it gives you room for this one away from the tree. So right here, lineman's belt up higher, pull in. You can see how I've got about almost close to half of my boot up. Now you're good to go. Then you're going back up the tree. And you're on your other sticks now. That is all I've got, guys. So coming down. Now right here, I'm going to tighten this up a little bit. Good there. Hold on to the top of the stick. Holding on to the tree. Good portion of the boot in there. Other one. And right here, if you've got this too close, it's harder to get your foot in, so loosen this up. And then you put your foot in, kick it out. There you go. Let your lineman's belt drop. Pull your other foot out, and you are good to go. All right, guys, hopefully that helps you, shows you how I climb a tree. These get you quite a ways up there. I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.